So I added the canopy part of the plane, you know, where the passengers would sit inside. I've added a cockpit glass section, you know. I've added the propeller area, you know, that spins. But then I went and took some old saw blades and took some 3/8 all thread, about that long, welded it into the wings, took nuts and washers and put the wings in, and I got it so if you lock it down and it's, you know, it's pretty locked in place, or you can loosen it just slightly and make those spin too, just like the front propeller. I'll show you the other side. See the other side right here. Alright, so to get that back end look, I had to take what I'm going to use for the tail piece right here, and I had to cut this at a 45 and straight out to get this. And as you can see, it looks more like the back end of an airplane, and we're going to get that in right there somewhere in that area right here, and then we're going to wind up putting the two little small wings out right here. Alright, so I'll show you when we get to that point. Attached the back end with the main back wing, and I added the wheel to the front so that the weight of it naturally sits in a stance. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with that pile of scrap metal. As you can see, we got like an old ancient warplane. We got a triple prop plane. Both of them spin, the front spins. Got our cockpit right here, the canopy part. We got our body. We got our wings. We got our tail end. We got our main wheels holding it up in the middle, and our little wheel holding it up in the front. It's a pretty heavy piece. As you can tell, that these was two old little wrenches that come with like some IKEA type of furniture. This was an old caster. This was some old round stock. These wings, I'm not sure what these wings were whenever I got it, but it was in a pile of scrap metal, and they already had like the wing like shape. They were just a lot longer, but I cut them down. And I want to take note real quick that the wheels were actually this way, and I cut them off and turned them the opposite way and welded them on to give that, like it's got